Welcome to all my subscribers, new subscribers and viewers. Welcome. Thank you guys for all your support and a big up in the south. For people no come here quick and fast. Yeah, cause we have long for talk, so no come. So, people business. We can't keep remote out of people business. Yeah. We can't keep with eyes with ears remote out of people business. So Marcia, it's on the street, on the media street. So Marcia's been evicted again. And so me hear it, and I saw me I say it, and say Marcia evicted. But Marcia says she move out, cause it apartment not suitable for her and all kind of thing. She get charges, tickets, and the house have roach in a hit, a coach, and so yeah, and so she not happy and she move out. But the woman go up on another platform and she have something different to say. She say Marcia bring in the cockroaches. No sir. Yeah, she say Marcia bring in the cockroach in the place. Marcia say in there when she comes. But why would you take the place if you know say you're coming from somewhere before that had issues and you're going to take another place with cockroaches? I don't get it anyway. But yeah, so Marcia says she want back her deposit. The woman says she not get back her deposit. Because Marcia never give her enough notice. Yeah, she just move out. And to be honest, if you rent a property and you don't give notice, you will lose the deposit. That's one of the agreements. So when Marcia broke the agreement. That's so yeah. So yeah, she's saying the woman forged the document and of her place and the boyfriend place and all kind of something. Marcia say no. Yeah, but Marcia living at this place for so long, so all of a sudden now she unhappy with the place. That's the question me want to ask. But Marcia no say she at work. And what come to mind, me I wonder say whether Marcia move into one of them living for some kind of living job. No, she a do. Yeah, but she get job. So I don't know, but yeah, that mean I wonder. Because we always in a wonderland over here. So and me I wonder if that is the case. But at the end of the day, these people say them have family and them have friends and all this. But I know the same thing that happened to Marcia before, where she not take charity money off of the woman. The woman was in there winter, and then the pastor man, and now somebody else expose her now about this eviction. Somebody always seems to know Marcia business, social media friends that she always seems to, find somebody on social media. The lady said that she reached out to Marcia because she feels sorry for Marcia and so on. So she give her, suggest to her about this, that and the other. So the whole thing is ridiculous, to be honest, because when you get to this age, I say people can become homeless for whatever reason. But because Marcia come on social media and she diss up everybody and she says she a big deal, and her behavior on social media recently, when she did their cuss out Miss Princess and the other lady down at the shop. Marcia a cuss out because she have her own problems upon her. And that's the reason why she's lashing out at people. Yeah, it's quite evident now with all that's going on to say that she lashing out on people because her situation, she's in a bad situation. Yeah. And you shouldn't have to want, your family with big house and families. At your age in life, you shouldn't want to go catch with nobody. Because last year, Marcia put on big gala. Big gala. And them the money there she could have put aside if you do something sensible. But that is, you know, you ever say the competition thing. Yeah, the competition thing that when you're around competition and you want to run competition and then two no, you're in a right mess. That's what me I gonna say. Yeah. So you are worried about other people's business and your business are spoiled. Yeah. Your business are spoiled and you are worried about other people's business and I lash out at other people and so on. No, this it not look good. No, it not look good. That, you know, it shouldn't have to go through all this. And sure after you can stay in a hotel, you can buy box food and all these things when you should have do a little cooking and make it last you for a couple of days. Because box food not cheap. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. But it's a sad situation. It's a sad situation when you get to a certain age and you become traveler. I travel up and down every minute. I move up and down. It is really, really sad. Me I go say, yeah. And you feel say what you're doing is okay, and you're too proud to talk the truth. And then people have to come out now and expose you. Yeah. People come out and put out your business on social media, but as the lady say, you need to take time off social media, and I think so too. That you need to take some time off social media because it's not a good look at all. Yeah. So yeah, so that's it really. You said the lady forge the documents and all that, but she don't have to give you deposit back. And is your word against her to say she forged a document of her boyfriend or anything like that? Yeah. So this is it. She says she have work for evidence anyway. So I don't know what kind of evidence she have. Yeah. So moving on, me see TC run out. For defend Marcia say, you know. This, that, and the other. Yeah, it had a nose well. But TC, you can't talk. You shouldn't even bother to come out because you're just making yourself look silly, this or no. Because at the end of the day, you know, you're saying that people shouldn't talk about your daughter the way they did. So the same thing with the princess lady. Nobody should be talking about talking about somebody's sickness when they never buy a shop. And that's what I'm gonna say. You can't dress it up for what Marcia do. You can't dress it up at all. There's no way you can dress up that. So you can't defend what is wrong is wrong. And that's what I'm gonna say. So, moving on now, the next little thing we want to touch upon is Sophie. Sophie, why you not just give up now? You see, say you're fighting a losing battle against the teacher. Yeah. Every day me get up, me hear Sophie I talk about Juju this and Juju that and Juju tada no so. Me fed up now. I hearing about Juju now. You are played out now. Yeah. You are played out now. Yeah, you just making yourself look silly now. Why the lady making up all heap of merch? Yeah, she make up all heap of merch. And you just look stupid. Yeah. So you need to stop now. Yeah, you play that now. It don't make sense what you're doing. Find some other topic. Find something else to do. Yes. Find something else to do. Me I go say. And leave that alone now. Cause you just look silly now. And that's all me I go say. Fireman don't talk and she's like, thanks for watching. Please like and share this video.